Peace be upon you, peace be upon you, shalom, shalom. So I've been doing yoga in the rising to try to show you some poses to help you stretch and get your day going. But I've been slacking on doing, instead of the sequence, just doing a pose. So I'm going to try to show you something called a boat pose today to help you stretch, okay? So say you're just waking up or you're getting ready to go to bed, right? And you hear it, right? So what you want to do is you're going to lift these legs up, right? You're going to grab this foot, right? You grab the other foot. And as you grab these feet, you're going to lift your knees up and your front torso and look forward. Okay? So it's going to look something like this. Okay? And then you just bring it down and relax. Okay? And that helps you stretch out your limbs, your back. You know, sometimes you got a bad back and it kind of helps with that too. You know, you're like, oh, I'm trying to crack this back. You can't crack it. Just lay down straight like this. Hands down. Grab. Grab. Remember always to breathe. You're going to lift your legs up and your front torso and look forward. So. Okay? Let's get it, let's go. All praises to the Most High. Another one is the cat pose. You know? Cat. So it's like, boom. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right? So when you breathe in, you hear. When you breathe out, you hear. Or you can do it the other way. You can breathe in here and breathe out here. Or you can do the breath on the pose. Breathe in, breathe out, and come down. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Just some poses to help you for the day. All praises to the Most High. I thank you for joining me. I hope it helped you. Put you first. Health is wealth. Let's get it. Let's go.